Water damage. Two words no homeowner wants to hear, but it's a reality many of us face at some point. Whether it's a burst pipe, a leaky roof, or a natural disaster, water damage can be a stressful and costly experience. The good news? Knowing how to handle insurance claims the right way can make a world of difference. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to take if your home suffers water damage. We'll cover everything from documenting the damage to working with your insurance company so you can focus on what matters most, getting your home back to normal. Remember, the more you know, the better prepared you'll be to navigate the claims process smoothly and get the compensation you deserve. Let's get started. Remember, water damage isn't just an inconvenience, it can lead to serious structural problems and health hazards if not addressed quickly and properly. Let's equip you with the knowledge to protect your home and your peace of mind. When it comes to water damage claims, the golden rule is simple. Document everything. Thorough documentation is your best friend and will significantly strengthen your claim. Start by taking clear photos and videos of all affected areas. Don't just focus on the obvious damage. Capture wide shots to show the extent of the damage and close-ups to highlight specific details. Pay close attention to damaged belongings. If you have an inventory, now's the time to use it. If not, take photos of damaged items, including any visible serial numbers or identifying marks. When documenting flooring damage, remember the line of sight connected rule. Insurance adjusters use this rule to assess the extent of hidden damage. For instance, if water damage is visible in one section of the flooring, it's assumed that damage extends to other areas connected by that same flooring material, even if not immediately visible. Documenting these connections with photos and videos can be crucial in ensuring you receive proper compensation for repairs. After a water damage event, every minute counts. Don't delay in notifying your insurance company. Contact them as soon as possible, even if you haven't fully assessed the damage. Most insurance policies have strict time frames for reporting claims, so a quick response is essential. Provide them with all the necessary details, such as the date and cause of the damage, and let them know you have photographic and video evidence. Early reporting demonstrates your proactive approach and allows your insurer to start the claims process promptly. This can be especially helpful in mitigating further damage. For instance, your insurance company might advise you on immediate steps to prevent mold growth or recommend reputable restoration professionals. At times, an insurance company may require a mold test. If that's the case, Vert Environmental is dedicated to offering same-day testing services for our clients. Additionally, we can refer you to trusted restoration companies we regularly work with who will act as advocates on your behalf. Remember, prompt communication is key to a smoother claims process. Before disaster strikes, take the time to thoroughly review your insurance policy. Understanding your coverage is crucial for navigating the claims process effectively. Pay close attention to what types of water damage are covered and any coverage limits. Water issues such as gradual leaks, flooding, sewer backups, and damage due to neglect are typically not covered by standard insurance policies unless additional coverage is purchased. Make sure you understand what is not covered and what is covered. Familiarize yourself with key terms like named perils and all-risk coverage. Named perils policies usually cover specific events listed in your policy, such as burst pipes or storms. All-risk coverage, as the name suggests, usually provides broader protection covering damage from any cause unless explicitly excluded. Knowing the specific details of your coverage will help you set realistic expectations and avoid surprises during the claims process. If you have any questions or need clarification, don't hesitate to contact your insurance agent or company representative. They are there to help you understand your policy. Common pitfalls to avoid. Don't let these trip you up. Navigating the world of insurance claims can be tricky, but being aware of common pitfalls can save you time, money, and frustration. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is not documenting the damage thoroughly enough. Remember, detailed documentation is key to supporting your claim. Another common mistake is not keeping records of all communications with your insurance company. Create a dedicated file or use a notebook to jot down dates, times, and summaries of phone calls, emails, and even in-person meetings. This documentation trail can be invaluable if any disputes arise later. Finally, make sure you fully understand the payment process. Ask your insurer about any deductibles, depreciation policies, and how you'll receive payment. Don't be afraid to ask questions and clarify any confusion. Knowledge is power when it comes to insurance claims. Working with adjusters, assessing the damage. Once you've filed your claim, your insurance company will assign an adjuster to assess the damage. The adjuster's role is to evaluate the extent of the damage, determine the cause, and estimate the repair costs. It's important to be present during the adjuster's visit and provide them with access to all affected areas. Be prepared to answer their questions about the incident and provide any additional documentation or information they request. Remember, you are your own best advocate. If you feel the adjuster has overlooked any damage or underestimated repair costs, don't be afraid to speak up and provide supporting evidence. It's also a good idea to get your own estimates from reputable contractors. Keep in mind, if you'd like a second opinion on damage assessment, Bert can connect you with one of our trusted, reputable restoration contractors for an additional evaluation. Having multiple estimates can be helpful in ensuring you receive a fair and accurate assessment of the repair costs. Remember, working collaboratively with the adjuster while advocating for your best interests will contribute to a smoother claims process. Stay organized. Documentation is your friend. Throughout the claims process, stay organized. Keep all your documentation in one place. This includes photos, videos, inventory lists, communication records, estimates, and any other relevant paperwork. Having everything readily accessible will not only make it easier to communicate with your insurer and track your claim's progress, but it will also be invaluable if any disputes arise later. Consider creating a digital copy of your documentation as well. Scan or photograph paper documents and store them securely in the cloud or on an external hard drive. Having both physical and digital copies ensures that you don't lose valuable information due to unforeseen circumstances. Successfully navigating water damage claims. Dealing with water damage in your home can be stressful, but understanding how to navigate the insurance claims process can alleviate some of that stress and help you get back on your feet faster. Remember, knowledge is power, and being prepared is half the battle. By documenting the damage meticulously, notifying your insurer promptly, understanding your policy coverage, and avoiding common pitfalls, you can approach the claims process with confidence. Remember, you don't have to go through this alone. Your insurance company, adjusters, and even trusted contractors are there to help guide you through the process. And remember, if you need a trusted restoration company to work with, Bert has got you covered. We work with multiple restoration companies that are trusted and efficient that we can refer you to. By being proactive, informed, and organized, you can turn a stressful situation into a manageable one and focus on what matters most, restoring your home and your peace of mind.